just pulled up at our customer's house. And I almost fell off, man. Alright, we got to change out this guy's spark plug real fast. And you know, we put up in the bike because it's a Saturday and I shouldn't be working right now. And after this, we're gonna go to the bike meet because we got to. What would we be if we didn't go to the bike meet? Right? What would we be? Who would we be? We would be some idiots. So this is the wires we got. Some spare wires because my boy, one of his wires are trashed over here and it's stuck inside of where there's zip ties. We're gonna get this situated real quick. All right, let's go ahead and get this going. You already know what time it is. Stop recording. Alrighty, it looks like the truck's not misfiring, so we are looking good. Okay, let me see here. I am looking for the address to the bike spot. Let's see, 1118 North Riverfront.
How do you think this will look if it is black?
I don't know, bro, cause this is, it's not too bad, right? I know, bro. That's why when oh, it's a motorcycle shop.
Where? Oh,
yeah, I thought it was Fuel City. North Riverfront, so it's downtown. Yeah, so when I was looking at the bikes to buy, it was this one and it was two newer ones. Newer one was like blacked out, fuel injected, had like that cool little thing I was telling you about, but it was like pretty far. It was almost like an hour away and I was kind of uncomfortable because it's been a long time since I rode a bike. I don't want to drive it back. And the other one, it was kind of beat up looking.
And it was dark too.
It was blacked out, but it had he had like a cam in there. He had a tuner, so he had it like souped up. Yeah, and I just wasn't sure if I wanted something that like I could potentially kill myself on. It's too fast and big. And I was looking at this one, and on the pictures, I'm like, it's pretty nice, bro. But I was like, so when I pulled up to it though, and I seen it in person,
like, it's too good to be true.
I was like, bro, this thing is way cleaner in person than on the pictures, bro.
That's like the equivalent of whenever I found this truck, I'm like,
oh yeah.
like, you know, I was like, get out of here. Like, it looks too,
bro. It's just way. Of course, pictures don't do it justice for sure, bro.
It looks beefy.
Does it really?
I think it looks beefy.
And maybe not too much.
He got one too.
Oh, he's got one too? This was like perfect size, perfect height.
It is all black now.
Oh, okay. It's fast. It's like good enough to where, I mean, it's a twin motor, right? So
yeah,
you can get your kicks. You can go super fast.
I thought it was gonna go.
I don't know. I mean, I never hit 100 in it yet.
Yeah.
Cause it feels kind of like uncomfortable to go too fast.
Yeah, when I see bike speed,
I think it feels different on a speed bike, ninja bike, because you're sitting with your chest down and your feet like this.
Forward, right?
Yeah, and this one You see like this, so when you're going fast, and I don't have no windshield,
And the wind, you just.
it feels like you're gonna parachute off of it. Stop recording.